Hey cutie, welcome to my channel. My name is Lily Jasmine. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more tutorials and videos like these. Today we are doing a twerk out, so it's going to be nice and sweaty. Make sure to grab a towel or some water and some water. Make sure that you are comfortable in your clothes so it can be nice and jiggly. If you want, you're in the comfort of your own home. Feel free to take off your shorts and just do it in your underwear because nothing is too crazy when we want our booty to jiggle. We are doing 2 songs today, so it's nothing too crazy. It's just around 6 minutes of jiggling, but I can tell you this is gonna be sweaty. So make sure to subscribe, get comfortable, and then I'll see you back here in... There we go. Start jiggling. This is just our warm-up. Come on. Up. Up.
Baby, I'm done with the street, can't you see? I see go jalo.
Keep going.
Can you decide if you coming with me? Talk to me, what's going on?
And jiggle.
Oh baby, personally, I don't think I can do it for so long. And if you
Come on, you got this. This is just warm-up and up again. Keep going. And jiggle it out.
In my body, they feeling my sound, they call me if I tickle your fancy, go by me daily.
And jiggle it.
This no be tongue song, yeah, my do for street or my tongue song. Come to my section, nah, so we they drink no be God.
And down, up.
I will not lie to you, I care for your love,
and down.
Spend my money, baby, non-stop.
Down.
Everything
And
is for
up.
you, don't mention.
Up.
Baby, I'm done with the street, can you see? I see go
Down.
Can you decide if you're coming with me? Talk to me, what's going
Jump.
on?
Bounce.
Oh baby, personally, I don't think I can do it for so
Keep
long.
going.
And if you leave me, I'm moving on. Come on for
And again, up. Up. Up.
Come on for
Down. Up.
Come on for
Down.
And
jump. Keep going.
In my body, they feeling my sound, they call
And
me
walk. Walk.
if I tickle your fancy, go by me daily.
Keep going. 3 more.
In my body,
And jiggle. And that was our first song. Let's go. We're halfway.
Dr. Dollar Entertainment.
Okay. One. Other side.
Lock me down. I'ma take the keys.
Keep going. 4
Let's
more.
isolate. Yeah, just you and me. Yeah.
And jump up.
So I'ma take your time. Take it fast. You know you gotta take it slow.
And whine it. Halfway. And then we switch sides. Side. And jump. Jump up. Keep going. And walk. Keep going. Speed it up. And jiggle. Keep breathing. And up,
Should not left or right.
up,
Just tell me, baby.
up,
Wish is my command. Tori,
up.
that
Speed
is
it up.
you like young. Tibaba mo ma bem. Shebole fong. That is
Again.
you like young. Tibaba mo ma bem. Shebole fong.
And double tempo.
So we can make love.
Keep going. And walk to the side. Walk, walk. Up,
Only you.
up, and jump. Up. Keep going. We're almost there.
So we got quarantine.
Jiggle it.
Oxygen mix.
That was it. Thank you so much for joining me today on this twerkout. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please let me know in the comments so I can make more of these videos, and then I'll see you back next week. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos. And if you are like, I can do any of these moves, check out my online courses. I have a Twerk 101 course where I teach you all the basics. I have a 28 days of twerk course where we build a habit together, a healthy daily habit of a little bit of fun, a little bit of twerking, a little bit of affirmations, and a little bit of a workout. And I also have an online membership where I teach you all the choreos that I also teach in classes. So I hope to see you back one way or another, and have a nice day.